Hello, online entrepreneurs. We are TouchSuite merchant and processing and POS systems. Are you ready to dive into the world of e-commerce gateway, optimizing online sales conversions? Before we begin, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts below in the comments section. The role of e-commerce gateway in payment processing. An effective payment processing system is the cornerstone of successful online businesses. E-commerce gateways ensure secure transactions and act as virtual points of sale. Empowering businesses with payment processing solutions. Empowering businesses with payment processing solutions. E-commerce gateways offer diverse payment options, catering to a wider audience. Understanding high-risk payment gateways. Certain industries, like CBD and credit repair, face unique challenges in payment processing. High-risk payment gateways specialize in handling transactions for such sectors. Navigating high-risk industries. CBD and credit repair. CBD and credit repair businesses can thrive with specialized gateways that comply with industry regulations and ensure security for both merchants and customers. The importance of secure transactions. Security is crucial in e-commerce. E-commerce gateways employ encryption and adhere to strict standards, boosting customer trust and conversion rates. Choosing the right e-commerce gateway. Selecting the right e-commerce gateway is essential. Consider factors like transaction fees, integration capabilities, and customer support for seamless operations. Optimizing conversion rates through seamless payments. Optimizing conversion rates is key. E-commerce gateways offer user-friendly payment options, reducing friction and increasing purchase likelihood. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. For trusted payment solutions, visit TouchSuite's website with over 20 years of experience. See you in the next video.